Okay, the scatter graph shows the information about the height and weight for 9 students. So we've got our scatter graph here, and the table shows the height and weight for 3 more students. We've got to plot this information onto the graph. So what we need to know is what our little squares count for on the bottom, which number we put in first. Well, we put height first and weight second, so height is our x-coordinate and weight our y-coordinate. 135, that's easy enough, that's going to be on this line here. Now 135 goes with 70, and 70 is marked in, so that's fairly straightforward to put that one in. So let's do that now, and it's a bit difficult because I'm marking these in with my finger, but that's about right there. So now plot 155 with 75. Now 75 is halfway between 70 and 80, so you need to get this between the second and third square and against the 155. So you can see the red mark is about the right place. I'll now try and put that in as best I can with my finger on this iPad that I'm using. So not too bad, I guess, there. Okay, and so and finally 170 with 85. So 170 come up here, and with 85, we'll mark that in there. And that's the first 3 plotted. So the second part of the question says, what type of correlation does this scatter graph have? So we can see that the points basically are following a straight line, and they're rising as we go from the right. The points gradually rise, so that's called positive correlation. The last part of the question, we're told a student weighs 80 kilograms. So what do we estimate his height to be? So we need to get our cross in line with the other dots. So his height then is going to be around, what we come to say, around 160, around about here. Place a cross there and we read down to 160. So I'll mark the cross in. And it looks okay with the others. You can see it's fitting the line. So I just come and read down. So I'm going to say 160. They'll probably accept answers from about 158 to 162. That's your question done.